How to export Blender rig to Roblox. So to export it, first of all, prepare your model in Blender. Open your Blender project, load the model you want to explore. Select your model, click on this model to ensure it's selected. Now export the model, go to the top right corner and click File, choose Export, then select either FBX or OBJ format. FBX is often recommended for rigged model due to better support for animation. Ensure you selected objects during the export process to only export your chosen model. Open Roblox Studio here. Just go to Roblox and open your Roblox Studio, which is really important. Navigate to the Model tab and select Mesh Part. In the Properties panel of your mesh part, find the Mesh ID field, click on this folder icon next to and select your exported FBX or OBJ file. Note that while you can import static model as mesh parts, full rig like those created with the Blender Armature may not work directly in Roblox. You might need to use the Avatar Importer plugin for custom rigs, which allow for importing FBX file with armatures. Now here, the next part is creating animation. If you want to animate your model, you will likely need to create animation within Roblox Studio after importing your rig, as direct animation data formed from Blender may not transfer correctly. Right now here, this is how you can do so, and thanks for watching this video.